In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio player to your Squarespace page or post. We'll move through this step by step so you can confidently embed audio on your site. First, open your Squarespace site editor. This is where you'll make all of your changes and see them update in real time. Make sure you're working on the correct site if you manage more than one, and consider what you want the audio to do, whether it's a single track, a voice note, or an episode from a show. Next, navigate to the page or blog post where you want the audio player to appear. You can add it to an existing section or create a new one for better spacing. Placing audio near related text, such as a transcript or show notes, often helps visitors understand what they're about to hear. Now add a new content block and choose audio. You can find it by clicking the plus icon where you want the player to go and searching for audio. Squarespace will insert an audio block with options to upload a file or connect to an external source, depending on your template and plan. Upload your audio file if it's stored locally on your computer. Common formats like MP3 work well and usually provide a good balance between quality and size. Use clear file names and add a title and description inside the block to help listeners understand the content. If you're linking to an external audio source, paste a direct link to the audio file itself, not just a web page. Make sure the file is publicly accessible so the player can load it. After the file is connected, adjust the display settings for the audio block. You can typically choose whether to show the title and description, enable or hide a download button, and set the alignment so it fits nicely with surrounding content. If autoplay or looping is available, use them sparingly. Many visitors prefer to press play themselves, and avoiding autoplay is better for accessibility and user experience. Before you finalize anything, preview the page. Click play to confirm the audio starts quickly. The progress bar and volume controls work, and the text around the player looks clean. If possible, check on a phone or tablet to be sure the player scales well on smaller screens. If something doesn't load, recheck the file type, link, or visibility settings. When everything looks and sounds right, save your changes and publish the page. That's it. Your Squarespace page now includes a polished audio player ready for your audience.